Chicharon ako.
The best in chicken.
Chicken is good. Jollibee is the best chicken ever. The whole world. You guys must try it. It's not a scam. It's not a joke. It's good. Especially when it's free. The best in the world. Especially when it's spicy. See? There's nothing left. Walang Jollibee dyan sa'yo?
Wala.
Wala Jollibee sa Australia?
Wala.
The best talaga yung Jollibee. Kaya pa kape. Alat-alat. Manamis-namis. Makang. Sarap. Love Jollibee spaghetti. Taste test.
Yum.
So I love eating Jollibee with hot sauce. Kitsis. For it. Chicken was so yummy. It's spicy. Now we are eating food. What are we eating, guys?
Spaghetti sweet. Sweet spaghetti.
Luther. The best spaghetti. 12 of iced tea. This is the best. Wala na akong masabi kasi I'm focusing the moment, maybe. Nako, masarap si Jollibee. At ito ba? Lahat, ito ba? Peach mango pie. Lahat ng binili ko masasarap. Peach mango pie, nako. Pag nakain niyo to, kakalimutan niyo.
Sino?
Pangalan niyo. Ay.
Are you
O
sure?
diba kahit ikaw nakalimutan mo? Ngayon ko natikman. Pag natikman. So I spent like 472 pesos. Dahil pakigutom tayo.
How much?
472 pesos. 472. 272.